Magagalit ka ba pag sinabi kong nakalimutan ko na naman yung especially versus specially? Walang problema yan, ulitin natin. Kapag especially yung merong E, ang ibig sabihin niyan, particularly. Okay? O kaya naman, above all. Halimbawa, I love music, especially rock. Love ko yung music, particularly rock. O kaya naman, above all, sa lahat ng music genres, ang pinakagusto ko ay yung rock. Ang specially naman, yung walang E. Ibig sabihin yan, for a particular purpose or for a specific reason. Halimbawa, these lyrics were specially written for an advocacy. So yung lyrics na yon sinulat siya para dun sa advocacy na yon, specially written. May purpose, may dahilan. Or this microphone was specially designed for Taylor. So yung mic na yon ginawa siya para kay Taylor. Si Taylor yung reason, siya yung purpose. Nga pala, itong especially with E, pwede rin siyang ibig sabihin niya very much. Kumbaga, nag-i-intensify siya. Halimbawa, this song is especially catchy. Ibig sabihin, super catchy niya or very catchy siya.